This assembly video can be used to assemble the HNA10, ECA15, and SBA15. For quicker assembly, you can use a drill and 4mm hex bit in place of the provided 4mm T-handle hex key. Begin by attaching the front left leg to the seat using 3 1 7/8 inch bolts, 3 1/4-inch washers, and 3 1/4-inch nylock nuts. To tighten, use a 7/16 inch wrench and drill as shown. Attach the long brace to the front left leg using one 2-inch screw. Repeat this step to attach the seat and long brace to the front right leg. Next, attach the left arm to the front left leg using one 2 1/4-inch bolt, 1 1/4-inch washer, and 1 1/4-inch nut. Tighten as shown. Repeat this step to attach the right arm to the front right leg. Next, attach the back to the seat and arms using 4 2-inch screws. If you're assembling the HNA10, your assembly is complete. If you're assembling the ECA15 or SBA15, you'll need to attach the short brace to the back legs with 2 2-inch screws. If you have questions or need any additional support, please feel free to contact us.